means to send a same letter having same text or format to more than one person at a time. Okay, so Microsoft Word provides this facility to us. So let us take the practical how it can be performed. The basic advantage of this one that only one letter you can send to number of persons, so there is no need to type the same letter frequently. Okay, only at once you have to type the letter and send the letter to more than one person. So let us see how it can be done. See, write a letter to, comma, enter, enter, enter. So here we have to insert the fields, matlab means recipient name, and next subject. Subject is that you are celebrating your birthday on 25th October. So you are going to invite your friends to attend the event of your birthday. So let us write a letter to your friend. Subject, birthday celebration. Birthday celebration regarding. Dear friend, I am celebrating my birthday on 25th October 2020.
कैलकुलेटर होना सिखाता है
07 in the evening at 7 p.m. sharp at my विशाल ट्रॅव्हल कर. व्हिडिओ ऑफ कर रे बाबा तुझा. at my residence. Okay. It is requested to you to attend the event of my birthday and share the joy of the event with me. Okay. Waiting share the joy of the event with me and wish me for waiting for your valuable arrival. Okay, so in this pro forma, suppose you want to invite your friends. Next, thank you. Regards. Okay, regards your friend XYZ, whatever. Okay, so this is the letter, and you want to send this letter to number of your friends to attend the birthday event. So what we have to do? So first step is create the document letter. Go to the mailings tab. In the mailing tab, start merge. Normally this one will not be applicable here. Select recipient. Directly go to the select recipient, type new list, or use existing list. Suppose you have created some existing list, then here we have to use it, otherwise type new one. Okay, the window will open here. Title Mr. Mrs. whatever you have to place here, then write. I am simply writing the name of your friends, Nikhil Patil. City Jalgaon. Then new entry, Nitin Kurkure. Suppose you want to place the address, then place here. Suppose you want to place the company name, you may also, but I am directly writing the city here. City name Nasik. New entry, and once again Ramesh Chaudhary. Jalgaon. Again new and Rajesh Patil. Then again he is from Pune. Okay, so here I am saving the address list here by click on OK. After clicking on OK, save address list menu will appear here. You have to place the name friend list. Give the name as friend list. In document we are going to save it, that database, save. Now we have created the database or list of the recipient of the letter. Now suppose you want to edit the recipient list, then go to this menu and you may edit the names or title or company name, whatever. Okay, otherwise leave it. Directly come to the greeting line or address book. No need to use that address book. Greeting line, no need. Insert, directly come to the insert merge field. Merge field 2 means first name, title. We have not taken title, directly select the first name and insert here. Close, enter. Again insert merge field, last name, insert, close, enter. Insert merge field as city. That's all. Okay, let us see the preview. See the preview. Okay, directly the mail merge facility taking the name Nikhil Patil, Jalgaon. So next, Nitin Kurkure, Nasik, Ramesh Chaudhary, Jalgaon. After clicking on the forward arrow of the preview menu, you are able to see the recipient here. Finish here. So in this way you may create the mail merge. Okay. So in this way you may create the letter as in mail merge. क्लियर, अंडरस्टँड, समजलं का कसं करता आहे? रिप्लाय द्या, रिप्लाय मी.
हो सर.
ओके.
हो सर.
ओके ओके.